Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel where you are going to master cloud and FinOps. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel so you will get the notification about my upcoming videos. So today via this video we are going to start the sub-series of FinOps which is called sustainability. Sustainability is a common topic nowadays and every enterprise is focusing to achieve a sustainable cloud infra. So here do not connect sustainable means long-term sustainable, but to be precise, sustainability here is moreover related to the carbon equivalent emissions or carbon emissions. So while you were in school, probably you have heard or you studied the greenhouse gases, which is nothing but a common contributor for absorbing and emitting the heat. And because of this particular aspects, the earth is getting hotter. So there are multiple greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide is common one, water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and there are many more. I tried to put it key ones here so that you will able to recall all these gases which you studied probably in the science chapter while you were in school. So in sustainability and while we study the sustainability, usually we club all these greenhouse gases in a common metric called CO2 equivalent. And CO2 equivalent is moreover a single parameter or single metrics which hyperscalers or other stakeholders use to measure the combined effect of all these gases or all these greenhouse gases to be precise. So CO2 emission is nothing but a single metric that include all the greenhouse gases in the normalized form, and you will not able to measure the global warming effect or potential of each gases. So instead you will use this common term which all the hyperscalers are also giving in their reporting or in their calculations. Now the point is why we are discussing this topic. Is it really worth to discuss, or is it really correlated with our day-to-day work in the cloud? The answer is yes. Cloud sustainability, when we talk about it, is moreover adopting the cloud services in the environment friendly or economical way. So economical way, you can correlate it with FinOps. Now environment friendly, it is moreover the sustainability. Sometimes we called it as a GreenOps, or we can combine GreenOps and FinOps together, Green FinOps. So now when we are running the data centers or data center in the cloud to be precise with the help of hyperscaler, so there is always environmental effect of energy, because energy is a need of data center, right? Or cloud. So ultimately, that energy can be consumed to power on the servers or the devices in the data centers, or sometime cool down those servers or data center devices, and sometime indirect emission as well through the life cycle of DC resources like electrical power, generators, so and so forth. So ultimately, when hyperscalers are running the data centers in backend, always there is an energy requirement, and that energy is also impacting in terms of greenhouse effect, or to be precise in terms of sustainability. They are basically that particular consumption of energy is emitting the CO2 equivalent as well. Now it is not just the choice, but nowadays it is a need of each enterprise to measure and report the carbon emission or CO2 emissions. Why? Because investor also need to know whether the enterprise is running their overall ecosystem in an environment friendly way or economical way. This is one of the CSR activities or CSR need nowadays. Government regulations are also there. Sometime organization missions are also aligned to the attribute of carbon footprint reduction, and obviously ethical ground as well, where every enterprise want to present that yes, they are running their IT infrastructure in a economical as well as environment friendly way. So that is why this environment friendly attribute, which is nothing but a sustainability or green ops, comes in a picture. And till so far we studies FinOps. Now green ops is also one of the key attributes of the FinOps role. We will discuss this topic in detail, how the FinOps practitioner responsibilities are there about reducing the overall carbon emission or assessing the carbon emission or CO2 emissions to be precise in detail in other videos. But via this video, I just wanted to talk about on a very high level why sustainability is important, why it is needed to measure the carbon equivalent in our day-to-day work or day-to-day reporting, how it impact overall on the earth, or overall to the greenhouse effect as well. So via this video, I just wanted to convey these basic things. I hope you understood these topics. In case if you have any further query, feel free to put it in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions in the comment section itself. Till the time, stay tuned and do not forget to share and subscribe button so that you will get the notification about my upcoming video. Till the time, have a wonderful day ahead. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.